Hello, my dear students. Once again, you are welcome on our channel. If you are new on our channel or you have not subscribed, please subscribe it right now and press bell icon so that you can receive all notifications soon. Today, I, Arun Pal, is here with a topic noun and its kinds. Let's proceed. Students, do you know what is a noun? Name of persons like Apurva, Shweta, Ram, Abhishek, Sarita, Kajal, etc. Name of places like Hardoi, Lucknow, Mumbai, Kanpur, Kolkata, etc. Name of animals like cow, goat, cat, monkey, horse, etc. Name of things like book, pen, pencil, chair, table, etc. Feeling or an idea like love, joy, patience, dream, mercy, pity, honesty, etc. These all are nouns. So the definition of noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, feeling, or an idea. In other words, we can say all naming words such as Ravi, boy, girl, Hardoi, cow, tiger, love, mercy, etc. are nouns. There are five types of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. So, students, let's know each kind of noun in detail. First one is proper noun. Students, the special names of a particular person like Sweta, Apurva, Ram, Abhishek, Aditya, Ravi, etc. Special name of places like Hardoi, Lucknow, Mumbai, Kanpur, etc. These are proper nouns. So the definition of proper noun is a proper noun is the special name of a particular person or place. Look at examples. Sweta is my friend. I study in St. Xavier's School. The Ganga is a holy river. Here Sweta is a proper noun because it is a special name of a particular girl. Similarly, in second sentence, St. Xavier's School. This is a proper noun because it is the name of a particular organization. Similarly, Ganga is a proper noun because it is a name of a particular river. Next, common noun. Common name to every person like man, boy, girl, teacher, doctor, student, etc. Common name to every place like city, country, village, towns, etc. Common name to everything like book, table, chair, etc. that represent the same class or kind. These are common nouns. So the definition of common noun is a common noun is a name given in common to every person, place, or thing of the same class or kind. Look at examples. Ram is a good boy. Kolkata is a big city. Here, boy and city. These are common nouns. But the question is, why boy is common noun? Boy is a common noun because it is a common word for every boy. Maybe Ram, Abhishek, Adit, Ravi, Abhay. Similarly, city, this is also a common word for all cities like Hardoi, Lucknow, etc. Next, collective noun. Collection of persons or things is called collective noun. So the definition of collective noun is when a noun stands for a collection of persons or things considered as one complete whole, it is called collective noun. Examples: I love my family. Our class consists of 40 students. So, family, this is the collection of or group of all members like mother, father, children, grandparents. Similarly, class, this is also collective noun because it is the collection of all students and teacher. Apart that, few more examples of collective noun are family, army, library, bouquet, gang, bunch, etc. Next, material noun. A noun which stands for the matter or substances of which things are made is called material noun. For example, gold, silver, copper, iron, water, milk, oil, wood, cotton, wool, silk, etc. are material nouns. Look at example. This chair is made of wood. The chain is made of gold. The cloths are made of cotton, wool, and silk. So here, wood, gold, cotton, wool, silk. These are material nouns. Next, abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name given to a quality, a state of a concept. These are something which we can neither see nor touch, but which we can only feel or think of them. For example, truth, beauty, wisdom, kindness, childhood, liberty, bravery, love, pity, mercy, patience, dream, joy, honesty, etc. These all are abstract nouns because the examples that I told you, we can neither touch nor see, but only we can feel them. Next, students, here is a list of some collective nouns. You must know them. An army of soldiers, a board of directors, bunch of grapes, bananas, keys, a bench of judges, crew of sailors, constellation of stars, a fleet of cars, ships, a herd of cattle, buffaloes, a library of books, pack of wolves, thieves, carts, band of musicians, bouquet of flowers, a bevy of girls, a bundle of sticks, a clump of trees, flock of birds, sheep, a gang of thieves, a litter of pigs, puppies, mob of people, a swarm of bees. So here, army, board, bunch, bench, crew, constellation, fleet, herd, library, pack, band, bouquet, bevy, bundle, clump, flock, gang, litter, mob, swarm. These all are collective nouns because these words have been used for the collection or group of things or persons. Next, in other way, noun can be classified into two categories, that is countable and uncountable nouns. So first one is countable noun. Countable means able to be counted. So students, the things which we can count using numbers are called countable noun. For example, dog, pen, horse, room, window, book, city, country, tree, etc. These all are countable nouns. Look at examples. She has 3 dogs. I own a house. I would like 2 books, please. So here dogs, house, books. These all are countable nouns because we can count them, whether dogs are 1, 2, 3 or 4. Similarly house and books also. Next one is uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns are for the things that we cannot count with numbers. They may be the names of abstract ideas or qualities, or for physical objects that are too small or too amorphous to be counted. Abstract ideas like truth, beauty, wisdom, kindness, childhood, liberty, bravery, pity, mercy, patience, etc. And small physical objects like rice, sand, wheat, etc. So, students, I hope that you would have understood the noun and its kinds. Now, this is the exercise for you. Pick out the nouns in the following sentences and say whether they are proper, common, material, collective, or abstract. First one is Raman is a good boy. One should believe in truth. A soldier is respected for his bravery. Ornaments are made of gold and silver. The case was decided by a bench of judges. Mumbai is a big city. The team won the match. Blindness is the greatest curse. Wisdom is better than strength. This table is made of steel. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.